Hello, everybody. This is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. I'm standing aboard an all-new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is a completely redesigned 23-foot boat from Sea Ray. We have one here in stock at Wakefield, Rhode Island. I'd love for you to come down and check out this new design, but let's do a quick walkthrough on it. So this boat is white exterior with this beautiful dune interior. We have sea deck throughout the floor to match. So all this nice tan color is called Dune from Sea Ray. Very attractive patterns. You can see this big sun pad back here. Sea Ray does such a great job with their layouts. They're really social. They're really comfortable. But we're going to get into it. But let's start here with our Mercury 250 horsepower V8 engine. Extremely quiet and extremely powerful. This will pull skiers, no problem, and also get you from A to B in a timely manner. Another cool thing that Sea Ray does is the convertibility and flexibility of their seating arrangement. So as you see this sun pad on the back where you can lay out on, this flips up and creates the backrest for your L-shaped couch here. There's also a coupler right here built into the side for a table, so you can have a nice cockpit table for eating lunch at with your guests. You'll also notice around there are speakers, induction phone chargers, cup holders, USB chargers galore. Sea Ray does an excellent job appealing to the US modern market. Uh, Again, going back into the flexibility and functionality of the seats, we have these backrests facing backwards. So your captain can flip his backrest and be enjoying the space with the guests. Then by just pushing this backrest in the other direction, now you have a forward-facing helm seat. This is also on the companion side, so you can have forward or back-facing seats. At the helm, we have a really attractive redesigned helm from Sea Ray with an adjustable steering wheel, two Simrad multifunction device. Those are going to be your GPS for navigation. It's also going to be your depth and your gauges, all digital. This is the new Mercury digital throttle, one push start stop, active trim, and there is a induction charger and cup holder for the captain. You have Lenco trim tabs and some easy to reach switches here, plus a cup holder. Lots of cup holders here from Sea Ray. Before we go to the front of the boat, I just want to show you that this does have the sport tower. So the sport tower is aesthetically very cool looking, but it's functional as well. This is for towing, for wakeboarding, water skiing. This is your water sports tower. And built into it is a Bimini shade frame. So this frame unfolds easily and creates a nice big canvas shade for overhead for those times when you need shade. Otherwise, it folds up together into the sport tower here. So on the 230 SDX redesigned, you have a head compartment, which you had on the old 230, but it was pretty tight, really small, maybe just for kids. Now adults and kids alike can use the head. So really creative design. You push this back to create more headspace, and you have a very good size head compartment. There's cushions down there. You can fill it out if somebody wants to lay down. Also makes great use for storage, all those beach bags, etc. Speaking of storage, there's lots of storage on the 230 SDX. So you have a big compartment here. Because it is an outboard power boat, you don't have your stern drive engine in here. You have a large compartment, which you can put a lot of, your rafts, your tubes, your beach bags, all kinds of toys there. Another part of the redesign, which I think was smart, is they put the Fusion Bluetooth stereo on the companion side. This way your captain is not distracted, and the companion side, the guest family member, can control the stereo from over here. Also nice little touch with this catch-all space with the non-skid and a little glove box here. So smart redesign. And also underneath here is where you store your table. So dedicated storage where the tables fit in and they don't slide around or bump around while you're underway. So again, smart design by Sea Ray. Up to the bow, you can see this beautiful and social design. It can be doubled as loungers. It could be a sit around. There's another coupler in the middle for another table. So if you wanted to be sitting around the table in the bow while dining, you could do so. Nice little touch with the sea deck up on the bow that covers your anchor locker. And again, there's grab rails, cup holders, speakers. There's courtesy lights on this boat. It's very well equipped. My name is David Foss. I'm with MarineMax. We're in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're aboard the 2026 newly redesigned Sea Ray 230 SDX boat. We'd love to show it to you in person. Make an appointment, look us up online, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.